again, good afternoon everyone. Thank you so much sa ating mga viewers. And once again sa ating mga sponsors. MSTV Official, Noivo Bake Shop, Lucy Store, Talon 1, Talon 5 branch. Pwede niyo po sila dito bisitahin sa Marcos Alvarez. Dito Marcos Alvarez branch, Golden Gate branch, RML Realty Development, Julian Mayas Boutique, Angel Hair 2 Salon, and Delso Realty Development. Alright, and this is our next song, Turn by Natalie Evertia. Alright, and guys, please share our live and at that part. It's a stars. Kasama na rin ang stars. Thank you so much. Shout out po sa inyo lahat dyan.